Dave, the last 10 years has seen many versions of us as individuals and partners. Only one thing that time has stayed the same, and that is my love for you.
So
natatakot ka ako kasi hindi mo naman sigurado kung ewan ko, nakatakot din kaya ano lang, nung naglalakad na kayo pa uwi after kumain. Medyo madilim pa nga nung kaya wala kang video kasi gusto ko parang ano lang, yung simple lang, organic lang. So nung nag-cross kami nung bridge, doon ko na lang sinabi sa kanya.
You better tell me that you love me, tell me that you need me, treat me like I'm everything you want and more. Tell me that I'm funny and sexy. If you don't, then honey, there's the door. You better tell me that you love me, tell me that you need me, treat me like I'm everything you want and more. Tell me that I'm funny and sexy. If you don't, then honey, there's the door.
Parang ayoko pa nga, parang sabi ko mamaya na lang, pero sige. Eto na yun eh. Hey! Ay, gado! Alam mo naman na ako yung tao na laging galit at mainit ang ulo. May plan A, may plan B, pero minsan hindi rin nasusunod. Ako yung mabilis magsalita, pero mabagal umamin ng pagkakamali. At higit sa lahat, ako lang yata ang lalaki na hindi marunong sumuyo ng babae. Kahit ilang beses kong sabihin na magbabago na ako, minsan nauna pa rin yung flaws ko kaysa sa good intentions. Pero kahit ganon, ikaw pa rin yung nananatili dahil matibay ang pasensya at tiyaga mo sa akin.
If you found somebody else, I hope you know I understand. If you gotta call it quits, I promise
You've helped me grow into the person I am today. I owe you everything for carrying me through seasons I never thought I'd survive. You have loved and supported me countless times. But what I will never forget is how you were there for me when Mama passed away. I am thankful to God that I met you early enough for Mama to meet you too, to see the kind of person you are. And I know she left this world at peace because she knew you loved me so purely, so patiently, and she trusted you with her daughter knowing you would never leave
if
my
you found
side.
somebody else. I hope you know I understand. If you gotta call it quits, I promise I can be a man. But there's something inside of me making me think, making me believe that this isn't over. I know it's not over.
I promise to keep growing and becoming a better version of myself every day so that I can love you with all my heart in the best way I know how. Babe, kung may next life man, ulit-ulitin man ang buhay ko, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. I love you, babe.
To my wife, Eliza, Babe Lai, bago ko simulan, gusto ko muna huminga ng malalim. Kasi ito yung parte na sasabihin ko, ang katotohanan kasama ng mga bahaging hindi ko masyadong ipagmamalaki. Bilang isang tao naging mabuti dahil nakita ko kung gaano mo ako minahal. At ngayon, masasagot ko na rin yung tanong ko sa sarili ko, sino nga ba yung dream girl o pinapangarap ko? Kasi kahit noon una pa naman, wala akong maisip o makita. Pero ngayong araw na ito, pagbukas ng pinto ng simbahan, ayun na pala, yung matagal kong hinihintay.
Like the stars fall from the sky, like the sun waking up the night. You're the light
ikaw pa rin yung nananatili dahil matibay ang pasensya at tiyaga mo sa akin. Hindi mo ako iniwan, hindi ka natakot makita yung pangit na side ko. Hindi ka umatras kahit may araw na hindi na ako kamahal-mahal. May araw din na feeling ko, mas gusto mo pang kausapin yung aso natin, si Benji, kesa sa akin. Salamat, Lai, sa pagtanggap mo sa akin. Dahil piniramdam mo na hindi ko kailangan na maging ideal person para mahalin. Kailangan ko lang maging mabuti, tapat, at handang magbago.
The time has come, it's all begun, now and forever. With open eyes, your hand in mine, now and forever. Like the stars.
Today, I will make the most important promises I will ever make. I vow to love you even more during the bad days. I vow to support your dreams and encourage your growth, just as you have always done for me. I vow to choose you palagi, araw-araw, habang buhay. I promise to keep growing and becoming a better version of myself every day, so that I can love you with all my heart in the best way I know how.
Sa harap ng lahat ng tao, hindi ko ipapangako, kundi gagawin ko din. Na patuloy magsikap, maging mas mabait, matatag, at mas karapat-dapat sa pagmamahal mo. Sa sobrang haba ng sinabi ko, I know one thing is for sure. Lai, you are the best there is, the best there was, and the best there ever will be. Love you, babe, forever and always.
For